Amazon just became more attractive with a stock split. You may be asking what a stock split is. A stock split is when a company decides to make more shares available in order to reduce the cost of a single share. Do you remember learning about fractions in school? Yes, that lesson that the teacher told you to pay attention to and you didn't? That's okay. I'll give you a little lesson here. Imagine going to the grocery store and buying a whole chicken. Yes, a whole chicken. And then the grocery store decides to divide that chicken into little pieces to sell. The stock split works the same way. So you may be scheming and being like, yo, does that mean the stock split means the total value of my share price increases? Unfortunately, no, it doesn't work that way. The total value of shares will still be worth the same as they were before the stock split happened. So back to the chicken example. In theory, a whole chicken is equal to all the parts that it was divided into. So the stock split will be the same thing. You have one large stock that got chopped up into so many, and now it's worth, or no, it's not that it's not worth it. Now it's more attractive with the price that it's at now. So how much is Amazon splitting the stock by? They're doing a 20-to-1 split. So for every one share that you get, it will now become 20 shares. So if you have one, it becomes 20. You have two, it becomes 40, so on and so forth. So you may be asking, why bother with a stock split? A stock split serves to make a company with a high share price, like Amazon, cheaper for retail investors like me and you. So if the stock, hypothetically speaking, is $3,000, but you only have $1,000, you cannot buy Amazon. Yes, I know you can buy fractional shares, but we're not talking about that right now. So stay with me, okay? So now with the split, the share price is $1.50. That's a pair of Air Forces. Jeez! And you can buy 6 pairs of them. Keep in mind, buying before or after doesn't matter. Doing your research will help you determine your entry price for the stock. If you found this video helpful, make sure you comment below.